them out.
Say Merry Christmas, Daddy. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna open your present. Oh yeah. Okay, here's Daddy's present. Madeline.
And then a little girl comes
Hey.
up there to
Hey, 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 hey.
and Austin tells
Hey,
her
hey.
and I back up.
Hey, 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 hey.
And she goes,
Hey, come on. We don't have much time for battery juice. Hey, what's that sound? What's that sound? Look, you want some paper? You want some paper from your daddy's present? Oh, this isn't working out. Okay. Oh, crap. There's tape. Here, I'll just sit you down there.
I told Patty, she said that thing was $50 cheaper at what you rang it up.
Look, Madeline. Hi.
Yeah, see, that's why
Hey, that's your present from your daddy. You're not making a very good video.